Do you ever wonder where all your money goes? Like, direct deposit hits your bank account on Friday, and within like next Monday, you're already back to zero. Shoot, I bet most of you have already blown through Uncle Joe's stimmy money. Haven't you? I almost guarantee it. See, this happens to almost everybody. And that's because of your daily spending habits. See, most of you have money habits that are literally keeping you poor. Today, I'm going to show you 5 money habits that your average dude does that you want to avoid that's keeping you suppressed. Let's hop into it. Number 1, it's called lifestyle creep. See, and this happens to everybody, where the more your income increases, the more you want to spend. It's like human nature. You feel entitled to it, whereas the more you earn, you feel entitled to buy yourself more, to reward yourself. Look, I'm going to open up with you guys. This almost feels embarrassing to say out loud, but there was a point in time where your boy fell through this trap as well. There was a point in time where I was spending 12 to 13 grand a month just on cars. It sounds embarrassing and ridiculous to say this out loud, because ask me where all that money's at. Well, stupid Jose blew through it, so completely depreciated. It's gone. It's disappeared. And that's not the hole I want you to go down. I want you to learn through my mistakes. See, as humans, like I said, we feel entitled to buy ourselves more stuff as our income increases because we deserve it. So we buy a bigger house, better cars. Shoot, we even upgrade our girlfriends. But the reality is that you're not guaranteed your level of income. That income stream could die off at any moment. Your wealth is how much you actually get to keep. So if you're making 200 grand a year, but you're also spending 200 grand a year, you're still net zero. You're still poor. Number 2, it's buying designer to impress others. This tags along with that lifestyle creep, where the more you start earning, the more you want to show off how much you're earning. So what do? You run off and buy designer. I want you to study billionaires, guys with true wealth. Your Bezos, your Musk, your Zuckerberg, even your Kanye West. None of them wear crazy designer. They don't care about labels or impressing others. Matter of fact, almost all of them stick to your basics. Neutrals that are simple, not flashy, to keep their life efficient, because on their mind, they got more important things to do. They want to actually make more money. This is really where I got the inspiration to design essentials. See, like them, I like to keep it simple too. You probably see it in my videos, and a lot of people criticize for my style being so basic, but here's the reality. Basic works with girls. Basic works with your lifestyle. See, when you don't invest so much time in the mornings and instead you have simple clothing that you know just looks good, your life is not only going to be easier, you're going to allow yourself to spend more time on things that actually matter, like building up your wealth. So what did I do? I created a whole line of essentials. Basics for guys that just fit amazing, which, by the way, I just want to take a pause and say, honestly, thank you. Matter of fact, I also want to give you guys something. This is just a random giveaway. I just thought about it right now just because, this has been the greatest month in our company history. We have never generated this much revenue ever. This has been a multi-million essentials launch, and we completely sold about, I think we're at 90 to 95% of it completely gone at this point. The amount of support we got for this last launch, it always keeps leveling up, and for that, I am humbled, and I just want to thank you. On top of Jay Black being an amazing success, on top of He Grooming also selling out, you guys are on a freaking roll, and the least that I can do is give back to you guys. See, now, for everybody that hasn't bought or tried essentials or tried to simplify their life, see, your flex with essentials is not the name brand. Your flex with essentials, it's the quality. It's the fact of knowing that over the long term, you're saving yourself money because you don't have to replace that garment down the line every 2 months. So for anybody that hasn't tried essentials, you can go right now, check out whatever is left, and pick up an item. For every item that you buy, I'm gonna gift you a pair of underwear. So our underwear, super high quality. It's made out of aloe fabric. Insane material. I'm wearing them right now. Stupid breathable. Everybody that wears them loves them. They also sell for about 25 bucks. Here's the cool part. Every single item you buy for essentials, you're going to get 1 free pair of underwear. So if you buy 10 items, you're going to get 10 free pairs of underwear completely free sent to you. Not only I want to thank you for the amount of support, but also because I want you to make that switch from flashy and designer to basics and essentials like the billionaires are doing, so you stay consistent, and that way you save money in the long haul. If you guys want to check out essentials, click that link down below. Number 3, you think you're too young to start saving. bro, you're thinking about it all the wrong way. See, matter of fact, the younger you are, the better it is to start saving now. And I'm not just saying to actually put your money away under your mattress. I'm talking about saving your money, grabbing that money, and then investing it. See, time is your best friend. The more time you can invest your money or save your money, the more it's gonna compound. The more it compounds, the wealthier you're gonna be. See, if you start right now, by the time you're 30, you're already gonna have a net worth of 6 figures plus, and that's a minimum effort in a basic job that pays you $40K a year. Just doing that and being able to save, let's say, 5 to 10K a year, you start investing that, you add compounding to that. By the time you're 30, you're gonna be deep in your 6 figures, and that's without lifting a finger other than using time as your friend. Number 4, you are not tracking your money. See, most of us intuitively believe we know where our money's going and where it's coming in from. But the reality is that if you've ever asked yourself the question of, how the hell am I at zero, or where's all my money going? You actually don't know where your money's going. And when you're asking yourself that question, it's because you probably are spending in areas that you don't even realize. So what I did, there's this app, and you can find any app. This is not a sponsorship. It's called Mint. It's completely free. You can find others. The point is, find yourself an app that helps you track your finances. See, most of these apps, you can link your credit cards and your bank statements, and what ends up happening is that at the end of the month, you get to see exactly where your money's going out through, your outflows, and you get to see your inflows. This will give you better perspective on your money. You need to understand how your money is moving to know exactly where it's going. Then, I guarantee you, within the first month, you're gonna be absolutely shocked how much you spend on food, how much you spend on transportation, how much you spend on services like Netflix. And then you can adjust your life to actually be able to save some of that money instead of just spending it. And finally, number 5, having a poor mindset. See, a poor mindset is gonna keep you poor. Most poor families, and again, I came from a poor family, so I can speak from experience. See, most poor families believe money is the root of all evil. Money is gonna make you greedy. Just thinking about making money makes you a bad person. Whereas rich families don't think that way. So having that poor mindset, if you always think like that, do you actually think you're gonna ever make money? You need to learn to understand money, to be able to generate it, to be able to earn it, to cash flow it, to double it. If you don't, if you never actually take the time to look into it and understand it, you're always going to stay poor because you have the poor mindset to believe that money equals bad. Boys, that's it for this week's video, guys. Those are 5 bad money habits almost every guy does, including I myself. I've done it in the past that keeps you poor. I don't want you guys to fall for those same mistakes, so I want you guys to avoid these. That's it from me today. See you next.